Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this spring and fall shawl. So let's get started. To make this shawl, I worked with a worsted weight yarn and a large hook. You can use any size hook that you like. You can even use a smaller hook, but to get this lacy look, I worked with my large 12mm hook. So to do this demo, I'm going to work with worsted weight yarn and my 12mm hook. And you're going to start with a foundation chain that's as long as you would like your shawl to be in multiples of 6 plus 5. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work my foundation chain. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked my foundation chain and I've worked 35. So you can work any number of stitches in multiples of 6 plus 5. And now I'm going to double crochet in the 4th stitch from the hook. And this is the 4th. So double crochet in the 4th stitch from the hook. So make 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way across the chain. All the way across the chain. Okay, I've gone ahead and I have double crocheted in each stitch all the way across the chain. At the end of the row, chain 2 and turn. Double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So 1 and 2. Skip the next stitch, make 3 double crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, and 3. So double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, 3 double crochet. Skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1 and 2 and 3. Skip the next stitch, make 3 double crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3. So repeat across the rows. Skip the next stitch, make a double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Skip the next stitch, make 3 double crochet in the next stitch. Do that all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, making a double crochet in 3, skip 1, 3 double crochet in the next. And now you'll repeat the next row over and over until the shawl is as wide as you need it to be. So I'm going to chain 2 and turn, double crochet in the next 2 double crochets. So 1 and 2. Skip the next stitch, make 3 double crochet in the center stitch of that shell. So 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Skip the next stitch, double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Okay, and repeat across the row. So I would skip the next stitch and make 3 double crochet in the next stitch, skip the next stitch, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet. You repeat that all the way across the row and work as many rows as you need for the width of your shawl. So you can see here, there's my row of double crochet, and then here's my row of 3 double crochet and double, 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 and a double, 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 and 3 double crochet. There it is over the black. So you're just going to continue to work row after row until the shawl is as wide as you need it to be to wrap it around your body. And then you'll work one more row of double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row, and then one row of slip stitch in every stitch just so that it won't stretch out. So for this last row, you'll chain 2 and turn and double crochet in every stitch all the way across the row. So 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Like that, and that's this row here. So you'll double crochet all the way across the row, and then for this very last row you'll slip stitch in each stitch across the row. So you'll chain 1 and turn, and then you just slip stitch in each stitch across the row, because this row will be too stretchy, but when you add the slip stitch it tightens it up. So slip stitch all the way across the row, and then at the end of the row you'll fasten off, and that will look like that. And that's all there is to making this spring and fall shawl. And there you go. That's an easy spring and fall shawl to crochet. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.